Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be I get so scared around people. And hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a monthly reset kind of a video. So every single month, in the starting of the month, I try and do certain things that really help me to get through this entire month, because I live alone. I have to do everything on by myself. For example, I usually try and clean on the first of month, and I did clean, but it messed up because I did my makeup just yet. And now this, I need a wardrobe for this, so another vlog will be up later on. Now this, I cooked meal. I messed it up again, but that's how it is. If you clean your house, you mess it up. But by the end of the day, I will clean it up again. It will just take me 15 minutes, but the starting of the day, like the thing I did in the morning, literally took me 2 hours. So 15 minutes isn't a bad thing. Like cleaning your house for 15 minutes every single day is okay, but having to clean it for 2 hours every single day is just such a headache. So that's why I try and do it in the starting of the month. Also, I try and get ready, first of all because it boosts my confidence, and second of all because then I can collectively make a lot of Instagram and TikTok content. I am trying to grow on Instagram just so that I can put a swipe up link for my YouTube videos. I know it's a weird reason to want to grow on Instagram, but I am not the biggest fan of Instagram. It's just a picture and it really doesn't tell a story. But here on YouTube I can talk like a lot, and I have been talking from the past 1 minute, like 2 minutes, and I don't want to worry you guys, so let's continue with the video.
Remember about the meal that I talked about in the last clip? So these are the clips of me preparing it, and this is the clip of me actually trying to open the can without a can opener. It was really a struggle and it's really hard to do it. I do not recommend it to do it by your own self, so be careful.
Okay, so we are done with chole. It looks so good, trust me, and tastes good as well. So that's a good accomplishment of the day. So yeah, let's move forward. So I was creating content for a while, but now I have to go and do some laundry. So I wore jeans on the same one piece that I was wearing, and now with these flip-flops I'm going to go and do some laundry. Let's go.
This is something me and my friends always do. We put our clothes in the washer or the dryer, and we come up to our nearest Dollarama to get all the things we might need. And as you saw me struggling to open a can, I definitely was in need of a can opener. So that's what I was looking for in this aisle, and I also ended up buying something else that I'll show you in the end of this video. So after doing laundry, though my dinner was already made, but a friend was giving a party, so we went out to eat. So my current obsession is with boba, so I had to try a new place. It was in downtown Montreal. I will be giving you the actual name and the review in this video. Hi.
Korma is not that bad. So that's
ਵੈਜ ਕੋਰਮਾ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕੀ ਪਾਇਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ
ਸ਼ਰਾਬ ਪਾਈ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ
ਥੋੜਾ ਚਿਕਨ ਮਿਕਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ
okay, so I'm back home. I had so much food. I'm so full right now. Leaving all that aside, I got this drink. I mean, I got 2 of these, but I just liked this one. The strawberry flavor wasn't just good enough, but this one is awesome. It's a passion fruit lemonade kind of a thing, but that's not what the name was. Anyways, leaving all that aside, I'm back home. I really want to go out for a walk, but it's too cold for me to go out, and also it's going to start raining from tomorrow, so that's great. I have dinner cooked for me, but I don't think I'll be able to eat it because I'm so full. Also, I got a few things from Dollarama, like this board, and I really want to see if this fits in any of the drawers. So I got this from Dollarama. I have no idea if this is going to fit inside this or not, so I'm going to quickly empty this out. Now for the moment of truth. Let's see if this fits. I hope. Oh my god. It still has space. Oh my god. I have a thing that I stopped working after curfew. Yeah, the curfew is 8 here in Montreal, and I have decided to just put my body on rest mode during that hours. So yeah, I don't do anything after curfew hits, and it's already curfew, so that's that. I'm not going to do this today. I will be doing this tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below whatever you want to see next. I probably will be recording a vlog tomorrow as well, so stay tuned for that. Leaving all that aside, see you. Have a nice day.